Colin from Gigabyte, and today in front of me I have Gigabyte's latest G1 killer gaming motherboard, the G1 Assassin. So as you can see here, this is the world's most advanced gaming motherboard on the market today. We spent a lot of time asking gamers what sort of features that they want to see in a motherboard, and we've tried to include as many of them as possible. So of course this motherboard is based on the X58 platform, so we have plenty of PCI Express lanes, triple channel memory, and it also supports Intel's latest 990X CPU, which is currently the world's fastest desktop CPU on the market. So of course for gamers, audio or graphics is very important. So what we've done is we've added 4-way crossfire support as well as 3-way SLI support. So full graphics, of course that means that the motherboard is going to be a little bit longer, so this is an XL ATX form factor. So if you buy this motherboard, make sure that your chassis can support an XL ATX form factor. So that's graphics. Of course audio is really important to gamers as well. So on board we have the Creative 20K2 audio processor. Now this processor is usually found in Creative's add-in cards. This is their highest end processor that they use. So this motherboard actually is the first motherboard to have this on board, on the motherboard. So it comes with its own dedicated memory. It also has its own Creative software suite of technologies that allow you to really get the best audio performance from your gaming. So this whole section right here is dedicated just to the audio. Gigabyte has added a lot of expensive components for the audio section. We're using these fine Nichicon capacitors. These are the Muse ES series capacitors, so much crisper, clearer sounds. Also we have 5 amplifiers on board. Now these are for the 5 different outputs. So again, it's able to boost the audio signal for high-end expensive headphones. So that's the audio section. Another thing that's very important for gamers is of course the networking ability, because most games today are online. So what we've done is we've added the killer E2100 networking LAN from Bigfoot Networks. So this is actually another add-in card that Bigfoot Networks sells separately. We're again the first motherboard manufacturer to actually include it on board. So what that allows us to do, first of all, is save up our PCI Express slots for the graphics. So, if you had an add-in sound card and an add-in LAN card, that would actually eat up 2 of your slots, so you'd only have 2 available for graphics. But some of the benefits of having the killer E2100 on board is that it provides a much lower ping rate. So, if you're playing an online game against a competitor, generally whoever wins is whoever gets their packets to the server faster. So a lower ping rate is better, and we were seeing up to 10x performance benefit using the killer E2100 chip. So again, we're the only ones that have that on board. Again, as you can notice, this is a very different color scheme from Gigabyte's usual blue and black motherboards that we have currently. This is the green and black motherboard, so we try to make it more army feel. And as you'll notice, the heatsink as well is specially designed to fit the gaming lifestyle, I guess you could say. We've got the pistol and the ammo clip, and it also plugs in your motherboard so you can have some LED green lighting. So this is cool if you're using this in a chassis to show off some of the cool lighting. Some other features that we put on board as well, we've got the 4-pin smart fan connectors. Now this allows you to really do fine adjustment for your system temperatures. Each one of these 5 smart fan controllers has a thermal sensor nearby, so it actually reads the thermal reading from that area of the motherboard. And again on the back, as you'll notice, we've got 4 USB 3 support, so that's 4 USB 3. And this motherboard also comes with a front panel. This front panel has another 2 USB 3 support, eSATA, as well as an overclocking button as well. Now this overclocking button allows you to, you just press the button and you can get an instant automatic overclock. So there's no need to reboot. You could be in your game and you'd still get this automatic overclocking performance. And we are seeing in our testing up to 10 times performance increase using this overclocking button. So those are just a few of the features that we have on board of this motherboard. Again, this is really the world's most advanced motherboard. We're the only ones to add onboard Creative solution, Bigfoot Networks E2100. So again, I don't have time to say all of the features, but come to your local store and pick up a G1 Assassin motherboard for yourself.